linguistic abilities. The ability to think in words, to use a particular language and express the thoughts and appreciate complex meanings. So this allows us to understand the order of words which are used, also to apply meta-linguistic skills to reflect on the usage of language. If you heard of Mr. Shashi Tharoor, who is the Member of Parliament of India, he uses very esoteric, very complicated words to express one's thought. So we keep pondering over, we keep wondering what he's trying to make sense, what is he trying to explain. That is the linguistic skill, one's ability to express thoughts through words, and a skill to even absorb, understand, comprehend the usage of words, the written subject matter. And this skill is the most widely shared human competence, this particular intelligence. And we find various people across the world who are poets, who are journalists, who write articles, also effective public speakers. So this includes some kind of writing, reading, telling stories, narrating the stories, and doing crossword puzzles. So all these are skill set which are used for linguistic abilities. The sound, what we use, how do we modify, how do we manipulate the sound, and what we call vowels or vocals, and the usage of tongue, the pronunciation, all these are coming from linguistic abilities. So now, coming to Krishna conscious perspectives, where do we use all these skills? Can anybody please help me? Where do we use these linguistic skills?
In preaching.
Yeah. In talking about Krishna consciousness to others, we read Srila Prabhupada's books every day. We preach whatever we have read in our own language, we are comfortable with. And also the ability to reflect on what we have read, appreciating the subject matter, the depth of the subject matter, what we are reading, the value of the subject matter, remembering those what we have already heard or spoken. We spoke to somebody today, and then that was a very nice discussion of a very interesting subject. So we think about it and we try to remember that, we try to understand more. And then the comprehensive abilities to understand when a teacher is talking in the class and somebody is giving a lecture, then reading various articles and appreciating the usage of language. So many times we feel very happy when we read something very interesting or we hear something very interesting. The youth today remember the movie dialogues. So I had one friend who used to explain while I was traveling in the bus during my college all the movie dialogues, and he used to entertain everybody, and exactly the same way it was done in the movie, with all that music from his mouth. So then when we chant shlokas, there is that metric pronunciation. Even that is a linguistic skill. And today we hear a lot of talks, TED talks, many professional talks, many spiritual talks over the internet, social media. So there are public speakers who can enthrall the audience, who can capture the mind of the audience through their narrative abilities. their engaging abilities. So all these are part of linguistic skills. So every skill, every type of intelligence, every type of knowledge, what he has explained, we'll try to understand what it is and also from a devotional perspective.